Good morning, AP Physics students. So we are just about wrapped up with that Chapter 29 magnetism chapter. Remember, the retest that you have should be turned in by the end of the day today. Some of you, by the time you loaded your pictures for test day on Wednesday, they came in a little bit late. So can we try to avoid that? You never want to push things to the very last minute, because sure enough, something will go wrong. And sometimes when you do that, if you're even 1 minute late, it means a difference between having being considered for a job or not, or having your taxes in on time, or getting a penalty, or all kinds of bad things. Maybe having to pay extra for a bill or something like that if you came in late. So deadlines can be awfully important. I'm going to be flexible, obviously, in this situation, but good life lesson to learn there. So then we're starting chapter 30, and if the calendar stays as it was originally planned, and seniors are wrapped up about a week into May, this will be it as far as the last chapter. So I've got it kind of mapped out where we have about 2 days for each homework set, and a nice long window for your quizzes. So the calendar's on there. I just realized as I'm speaking right now that I did not put the critical days on there, so I think I'll have to add that to the calendar. What I uploaded didn't include that. So it was usually just day 2 of a 3-day window, but we don't have 3-day windows anymore, so that's going to be a little confusing. So let's just try to carry on business as usual. This is actually a really neat chapter. It puts a lot of things together. So some things from electric fields, and now that we know something about magnetic fields, the interplay between those is actually really cool stuff and really, really impactful in just everyday life stuff. So it's known as electromagnetic induction. So make sure you're watching the videos kind of one at a time. One of the videos, I think it's the second one, actually is not an original. I got it off the internet because I don't think I could make one as well. So I just put that in my playlist, and I included that in there. So, but if you ever feel like you need something more because we're not live in class and I can't really explain things live, if you say, I'm just confused about this problem or something like that, I'm happy to make another one for you, or do a little Google Meet and try to do it live. So hop on there 10 to 11:30, and I know that's not prime working time for all of you, but you can always ask me for a different time. Say, hey, can you meet me at 3 o'clock in the afternoon? And chances are I can, because I'm not doing a whole lot, obviously. So don't hesitate to ask. Don't feel like you're burdening me or anything, because you're why I'm here. So okay, so I think that's it. Most of the stuff has now been loaded. All the videos, the practice quizzes, the homework solutions are on there. You probably noticed that yesterday, things popping up in your email about stuff going on to Google Classroom. So that was me just putting all of chapter 30 together. So all right, I'll let you get started, and remember to get those retests in. I would say go out and enjoy the weather, but it's not going to be real good weather, I don't think, until later on, maybe a couple days. So try to find something to do that doesn't require going outside. All right, y'all take care. Have a good weekend.